Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Instead of talking about nursing school, I'm going to be talking about a hairbrush that I brought, just a little review, because when I come across things that I really like or that are helpful to me, I like to spread the word because maybe it'll be helpful to you too. So I actually just finished straightening my hair, and so one of the hardest parts about straightening my hair is detangling it and getting a good blowout. So over the years since I've been natural, I've tried using paddle brushes, round brushes, and a lot of those have like the little round balls at the end. My hair gets caught on those. I've tried wide tooth combs, the tension method, and nothing really works. Like my hair always gets really tangled up or it breaks off, and my blowout is just not smooth and just such a mess. So a few years ago I came across a brush. I think it was about 2 or 3 years ago. I know it was my senior year of college, and I saw it online and I was like, this may be what I need. So it's basically a Tangle Teezer. I have something similar to a Tangle Teezer and I love it because it's great at detangling my hair, and I actually tried to use it once while blow drying my hair, and the heat from the blow dryer was just too much, so the bristles kind of started to get really soft and it just wasn't helping at all. So this brush is just like the Tangle Teezer, except for the bristles are hard, which is exactly what I needed. So I was like, okay, this is great, but before I buy things, I often like to look at reviews. So basically every girl that reviewed this video had straight hair or very loose waves, or they spoke a different language, so I didn't know what they were saying. The only girl that didn't have straight hair that I saw a review on, she had 4C hair, I think, which is a little bit different from my hair. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it anyways and see what happens. Hopefully it works, and it did. It's a great brush. So this brush isn't all that cheap. It's usually I think about $35, so like I searched everywhere trying to find it for cheaper and I really couldn't, but I did come across this website from some place in Europe, I don't know, and I ended up getting it for like $24. It took about 3 weeks for the brush to get to me from Europe, but I wasn't in a rush and it was definitely worth the wait. So the brush is the Tangle Teezer Blow Styling Hairbrush. This is it basically. I hope you can see it. And so it comes in 2 sizes. I believe the full paddle and the half paddle. I actually have the full paddle, which I think is like the bigger version. And so it says, quick drying, teeth rapidly extract surface water from the hair shaft. And it says, unique cleaning grooves make for easy hair removal without damaging the teeth. Revolutionary teeth deliver free flow tension with no dragging. So, like I said, I love this thing. It comes in this little package, and even after like 3 years, I still have it in the little box because it's just easier for me to store it that way. So, basically, this is it. I'm sure you're familiar with the Tangle Teezer. It's just like that, except for the bristles are hard and it's like a paddle brush, so it has a little handle. And because the bristles are hard, you don't want to be rough with this. You don't want to like hit it against your scalp because it will hurt. So be gentle. And yeah, this has really changed the way I blow dry my hair, and it makes it even better for me to straighten my hair because, you know, straightening your hair when you're natural, you need a good blowout, of course. Sometimes I even use this brush just to detangle my hair after I get out the shower because it's just that great, honestly. Of course, you want to start from the ends and work your way up. But the thing about this, it doesn't really pull out your hair, especially if you go in smaller sections and take your time. So that's another thing that I like about this. It helps prevent breakage. So not only does this detangle your hair, it helps you get a smooth, straight, good old blowout. So this is like the only thing that's really worked for me. All the other things that I've tried have been horrible and has made my hair look horrible when I try to straighten it because it's not giving me a good blowout. So If you have curly hair, straight hair, whatever, I really recommend this. I just wanted to do a review because, like I said, most girls that I've seen use this have basically bone straight hair or just loose waves. So I'm sure, you know, girls with curly hair want to know if it will work great for them too. And let me tell you, it does. I think you should go get this, especially if you've been having trouble with your blowouts and you're not good at blowouts like me, okay? So definitely go get this, and I'll just insert a little clip to show you how I use it and just how easy it is to use, how good it is at detangling and straightening your hair with a blowout. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I like to divide my hair into 4 sections, and as you can see, the shrinkage is real. My hair looks very short. So then I start by just detangling my hair. I start from the bottom and I work my way up. And then when I get the brush to my roots, I start to dry my hair. And I like to move the brush down my hair very slowly, so this way my hair is stretched out and there's a lot of tension as it's being dried. And you can see already just how much it's stretched out my hair. So look how straight the brush has gotten my hair already, and look how much longer it looks. So then I like to take down another section of my hair, and this is what actually takes me so long. I have to spray my heat protectant on, pull out another section, and of course it would be, you know, it sounds smarter to just let my hair down into bigger sections, but my hair would be so tangled if I just had huge sections, so I really do have to do smaller sections at one time. And then I just repeat the process, start off by detangling and working my way up. And you can see that as I move up closer to the roots, the brush slowly starts to glide smoother and easier. And once again, I start at the root and work my way down very slowly. It's actually pretty simple, but the good thing about this brush is that it really does glide through your hair so easily, and that's what I like about it. My hair doesn't get caught in the brush, it doesn't get tangled up. And of course, you guys know how to use a brush and you know how to dry your hair, so I'm only going to show you these 2 small sections. And look at that, I can never get those results with a paddle brush or a round brush or even a wide tooth comb. So that's why I love this brush. And yeah, basically I love this brush. I don't know what I would do without it. Actually, I do know what I would do without it. I would still be struggling and have terrible blowouts. That's what I would do without it. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you the next time. Have a lovely day.